Hello guys, please come, hurry. I just need to tip you something very fast. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. And now time yakareba. Ndiripa life, I just want to talk to you now about what is happening in Harare. You know us. Tistutinenge tiripa mongowa. Wejinu. Come. Let me gist you. Come, let me tell you what's happening. Please, come. Let me tell you what's happening right now in town. It's on. The Stayaway have started. People are running around town. Please stay at home, okay? Stay at home and be safe, okay, guys? Stay at home and be safe. Town. So be safe. Don't get in town. Please rest at home. Be safe for your own safety, okay, guys? People are in town. People are just running randomly. So please, pin them town if you're not already in town. People are now being violent and whatever. I understand everyone is angry, and we are all angry. We are not okay. Tinema BP, but guys, let's not fight. And let's fight for one thing, not kurwisana. Do you know Timuni anengane motkari? Antori stress. Asto zivogutoita say. Why are you people fighting each other? Please stay away from town. I just want to tell you because I care about you. I'm a citizen and I'm a Zimbabwean and I'm not happy with what's going on. Okay? Right now I'm actually into hiding. I'm here by Rotten Road. But in town, people are going crazy, are going haywire. I saw somebody at Chito Mota Yemun. So please stay away, okay? Let's just demonstrate in peace, not violating each other, because you don't know the person you are hitting, you don't know the person you are throwing stones at. You are in a situation, say. All right? Please, guys, stay at home. Don't come into town today for whatsoever reason. In Nini, I wanted to buy my machira. I wanted to go to my office, but I couldn't because Jato Tanga Mawana Tanga. Anditiga Mawani Atanga, guys. Mawani Atanga. Musapinde Mutown, my family. Really, if you love your life, please. Chero kuntu no faiwa better kutu faiwe jako. Anditiga. Better kutu ufaiwe jako. Anditi. Better kutu ufaiwe. Don't come to town. It's not safe today. I witnessed it. I'm in town right now as I'm talking to you, and I'm at some private place hiding because you cannot move around. You cannot move. So I'm just trying to let the wave to come down. Then I'll drive back home. Okay. So please be safe. Yeah. Be safe. Anditiga musafambem town. Anditi musafambem town. Musafambem town, please. And it ndatadza kutenga material yangu. I'm supposed kunge ndichisona ndatadza kuenda ku office, but it's worth it rather than losing my life. Ndato wanda zvangu panda wanda, you know. But you guys who are doing these demonstrations, please listen to me. I don't hate the fact that you are demonstrating whatever. I'm not supporting what is going on. I'm also a citizen who is hurt and in a situation because all of us, we cannot afford. But do not go around throwing stones at other people's cars. The fact that iwewe urukufamba netsoka usaite utsinyo kuda kupwanyira mwe munhu mota yake. You understand what I'm saying? The fact that you urufamba netsoka usapwanyira your neighbor mota yake, because naiye oga antorine stress. You understand what I'm saying, guys? We all have stresses, whether tinofamba nemota or tukufamba nechi, but everyone is affected. Let's fight in oneness and let's not be violent. Why are we being violent? Guys, let's not be violent. Then if you are running around town, what is that? You are killing other people, innocent souls. They are not the ones who are causing this havoc. Let's fight the problem, not each other. Let's fight the issue, not us, okay? Koseiko, for the way to Gurolana. Urukorowa munu, also Guziauti, Munu, Ibatori. Kokono rova the same, your same blood. Kokana your same blood. Why are you doing that, guys? No, let's be civilized. We know even in any BP I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all. Because andina marini nandizimene. Huh? Musadaro. Dato wanda zvangu izvozvo ndakutodya machips aya kuti ndibooste, you know, some of us we are tiri varwere takutombo booster energy because yesh sure munonzwa ndikuskidha muzotoita sei tine vana toda kushando ivo vachona vari in charge. If you are listening to me, please have mercy on us. Have mercy on us. Have mercy on us. Not everybody can afford. We are struggling. Please have mercy. Whatever we did to you, forgive us. Please. What is that? And we have people who are sick. We want to visit the sick people. We want to visit those who are affected in hospitals. How do we go there to check them out? Huh? How do we go there to check them out when everyone is fighting and throwing stones? Sometimes we need to use common sense. Okay? Takatadza. All the way. Huh? And I can go out whenever I feel like going out. You don't tell me where are you going out. I go out because I have children to feed. I cannot stay at home when I'm paying school fees for 2,000. But that's not a right here. Because all these issues. Now I'll address this. I want to address this. I don't care. Listen, I don't care whether I'm going to be arrested, whatever. I really don't care because I think it's better than how we are suffering here. Let me talk to somebody. Oh, those who are saying Disu Akuru or on Disu whatever, I don't know whoever it is who is in charge because me, I don't know politics, but I will talk on behalf of my family, Zimbabwe, and as a citizen. Listen, we are suffering. Listen, we are suffering. Andiga, we are suffering to the extent that some of our children are no longer going to school. We are suffering to the extent that a uniform, you are told to pay 2,000 for uniforms. We are suffering to the extent that we cannot afford bread. Now it's going high. We are suffering because cooking oil is chayad. You understand what I'm saying? So please have mercy on us. This is so unfair and uncalled for. Okay? This is so uncalled for. The reason why we put some of you on higher levels is because we thought you were going to heal the nation and you were going to uplift us and you were going to help each other. You understand what I'm saying here? Not to worsen the situation. This is so uncalled for. This is unfair. We are struggling. So some of us, we work single-handed, single mother. Huh? Pete kunoizwa kujeru kwa uchidya nemakabeji. Zvako uchitongodya zvako nemakabeji. Mahara uchichekerwa. No. No, Mwari ngavapindire, Mwari ngavatibatsire. Please, ndakumbira zvangu. Ndakumbira zvangu, whoever is in charge of our country. Me, I don't know. Please, please. I saluted. I'm saluting now. I put my hand here, right here. I salute. I can even bow down. Have mercy on us. Have mercy on Zimbabwe. If there is anything that we did that we deserve this, we are sorry. We are sorry. Because fighting will not solve this. No matter how much you will fight, no matter how much you do this, it won't solve. Fighting never solved anything. Yeah? Twitter says, ini mukaramba mitazve kutamba muchindidaiso ini ndichitambura ndichidaiso ndichakumwirai mushonga chaiko chaiko makanditarisa ndigoyorai mazita enyu chaiyo chaiwo for the way you want me to suffer like this. Children, everybody is suffering. Situation is not right. Why people don't have mercy? Why people don't have mercy just to say, I wamana ngatimbo daiso. For the why are you like that? For the why are people heartless? For the why are people heartless? I want to know. Tell us what you want us to do and we do. So that we move, we live. That's no virapa life bana. That's no virapa life really. Last it you virapa life. That's what tambura. That's what kaura batwari. Ah. What they say about pano? They say about pano. Ah, life yakadai so aiskuita eh. Utsinye wakadai urutoda 50 or 60 magate. Utsinye wakadai so aiwa utoda 70 80 magate. Take Ivan are in charge of Nick. But take Ivan to Mugudiwana Mai Titi Stayaway. Take Ivan. Take Ivan are in charge of Nick. But take Ivan yet on the 19. Oh. Tambourine. That's what tambourine. Ah. That day Ivan were in charge in Nanyika. Ma. No, Jimmy in charge. Imim saja jokutamba nasi ndinogona kuroa munhu chaiko chaiko inasi. Kana muri charge nenyika weapon. Indozura ya pano pa live. For the why, a human being is supposed to have a heart just to feel for others. Even if you are sitting pretty, feel for others. Feel for others. Ah. Sure, I don't know about you. Rova night of Navan, Rova Napa, Rova night of Jimtown. Kungo Rova with the same family one, my Quachungo Rova, Yajitema, Yajitema Motemu, Yajitema. So, and then, Monta, you could have to Godzilla. That's another issue and whatever. Excuse me. Do go out in the mama period. Did you go to by of Nezwa Ruda with the Mayara V? Twitter say, Manjana Maya V at your queen. Twitter say, Maya Viaru quits you about now. Twitter says, you are great. Take a moon on the town and I. My ARV. My ARV.